Thank you for being with us in this tutorial. For the next part of our tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of exporting and importing recognition rules. To start, go to AI Document Processing module and select Recognition Rules. This tutorial will show you how to export specific rules or all of them. If you opt for all, click the Export Selected Forms button in the top corner, then choose your export destination. If some recognition forms are no longer needed, you can delete them from elDoc and re-import them when necessary. To import recognition rules, click on Import Forms. It's crucial to note that upon import, a form automatically assumes a suspended status. If activation is necessary, please follow these steps. Navigate to the recognition form status, select all suspended forms, and choose the ones you wish to activate. Change their status to active, as demonstrated in this tutorial. Now, you are fully equipped with your recognition forms. Waste no time, commence your elDoc trial right away.